Argparse store false if unspecified. How can I store false if auto is unspecified? I can faintly remember that this way, it stores none if unspecified.
The store_true option automatically creates a default value of false. Likewise, store_false will default to true when the command line argument is not present. The source for this behavior is succinct and clear, this URL. The argparse docs aren't clear on the subject, so I'll update them now, this URL.
With running yields so it appears to be storing false by default.
Raymond Hettinger answers Ops question already. However, my group has experienced readability issues using store_false, especially when new members join our group. This is because it is most intuitive way to think is that when a user specifies an argument, the value corresponding to that argument will be true or 1. For example, if the code is, the code reader may likely expect the logging statement to be off when the value and stop_logging is true. But code such as the following will lead to the opposite of the desired behavior. On the other hand, if the interface is defined as the following, then the if statement works and is more intuitive to read.
I found the default, when unspecified, to vary between OS and Linux. With the following line of code. parser.add_argument auto, action equals store_true. And then omitting auto from the command line AMAC results in auto being assigned a value of false, as expected, whereas on Ubuntu Linux auto is assigned true by default.
If you want to store, please consider subscribing.